Hello and welcome to Nursery Plus. Due to current circumstances, we have not been able to invite you in for our open day, so here is a short video on how things may look in September. Here is the entrance into school next to the shop, and this is the path that you will follow. We have a hand sanitizer station for you to use. The lines on the floor show you the distance to be kept from others. You must be sure to keep this distance as you follow the path up to Nursery Plus. At the top of the path is where Nursery Plus staff will meet you. That's me, Mrs. Barron, and behind me is Miss Harper. Mummies and daddies will follow the path and walk down the steps following the one-way system. We will follow this path to go into Nursery Plus, ready to start our day and have lots of fun. This gate will be locked when we go into Nursery Plus to keep us safe. We walk up the ramp to Nursery Plus. And we go into the cloakroom where you can hang up your coats and bags. We have two toilets, one for the morning group and one for the afternoon group. We always wash our hands after going to the toilet. This is the Nursery Plus classroom. The spots on the floor show you where to sit on the carpet when we take the register. And over here is our role play area. And this is our interactive whiteboard where you can play games and draw pictures. I'm sure you'll do a much better job than me. We have a book corner with lots of books for you to look at. Outside it, we have lots of things to do. We spend a lot of time outside. Have a look. Myself and Miss Harper might wear our PPE masks and visors, and this is what they look like. During breakfast and lunch times, the morning and afternoon children will stay separated. If the weather is not suitable to stay outdoors, then they will stay separated by this partition in class. We can't wait to see you all in September.